Airport and Flight English, 30 Essential Questions and Answers for Travelers. May I see your passport? Yes, here is my passport. Where are you flying to? I am flying to New York. Do you have any bags to check? Yes, I have 2 suitcases. Is this your carry-on bag? Yes, this is my small bag. Do you prefer a window seat? No, I prefer an aisle seat. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. What is the gate number? The gate number is A4. Is the flight on time? Yes, it is on time. Do you have any liquids? No, I do not have liquids. Please take off your shoes. Okay, I will take them off. Can I see your ticket? Yes, here it is. Where is my seat? Your seat is 15C. Can you put your bag up here? Yes, I can do it. Please fasten your seatbelt. Okay, it is fastened. Would you like chicken or pasta? I would like chicken, please. What do you want to drink? Orange juice, please. Do you want coffee? Yes, with milk and sugar. Can I have a blanket? Yes, here is a blanket. Are you cold? Yes, it is cold in here. Where is the restroom? It is at the back of the plane. How long is the flight? It is 5 hours long. Can I have some water? Yes, of course. Please turn off your phone. Okay, I will turn it off. What is the purpose of your visit? I am here for a holiday. How long will you stay? I will stay for 1 week. Where will you stay? I will stay at a hotel. Do you have anything to declare? No, I have nothing. Where is the baggage claim? Follow the signs to the exit. Did your luggage arrive? Yes, I have my bags. Where can I find a taxi? Taxis are outside the door.
Easy Airport and Flight English Dialogues, A1 Beginner Questions and Answers. Where is the check-in desk? It is over there. Do you have a passport, Emma? Yes, I do. Is this your bag, John? Yes, it is my bag. How many bags do you have, Sarah? I have 1 bag. Can I see your ticket, Mike? Yes, here you are. What time is the flight, Anna? It is at 10 a.m. Is the flight on time? Yes, it is on time. Where is the gate, David? The gate is number 23. Can I have a window seat, Lisa? Yes, of course. Are you ready to board, Tom? Yes, I am. Do you need help, Emily? Yes, please. Is this seat free, James? Yes, it is free. Can I put my bag here? Yes, you can. Do you want water, Kate? Yes, please. Is the plane full today? Yes, it is full. Do you like flying, Alex? Yes, I like it. Are you nervous, Mary? No, I am not. How long is the flight? It is 2 hours. Do you need a seat belt, Ben? Yes, I do. Is the food free on this flight? Yes, it is free. Can I use my phone now? No, not now. Is this your first flight, Lucy? Yes, it is my first flight. Can you help me, Peter? Yes, I can help you. Where is the restroom? It is at the back. Do you have a boarding pass, Emma? Yes, I have it. Are we landing now? Yes, we are landing. Did you enjoy the flight, Mark? Yes, I enjoyed it. Is the airport big, Anna? Yes, it is very big. Where is baggage claim? It is downstairs. Welcome to London, Sarah. Thank you very much.